Hello, so in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create a LinkedIn carousel. Before we start on posting a LinkedIn carousel, what are the media supported file formats needed for a LinkedIn carousel? So for photos or images, the formats that are accepted are JPG, JPEG, PNG, and for video, MP4, MPEG-1, and the sorts. On the other hand, the formats that are not accepted for photos and images are GIFs, and for video formats, they are .mov, AVI, and etc. To make sure that your post will be a success, make sure that you follow the requirements needed for photos, images, and videos. For photos and images, the size limit is up to 5 MB. So make sure you don't upload a file bigger than 5 MB. The recommended size is also 552 times 276. And take note that you cannot resize or edit uploaded photos. Low-resolution photos will also be uploaded in low quality. For the video requirements, on the other hand, the maximum file size is 5 gig and the minimum file size is 75 KB. So make sure that it doesn't go lower than 75 and it doesn't get bigger than 5 gig. The maximum duration is 15 minutes. And the minimum is 3 seconds. So if you're going to upload a 1-second video, it is not accepted. So let's start on making our very first carousel. So go to your feed. If you see these tabs here, make sure you're on the Home tab. If you're using your desktop, it is the same as in the mobile menu. So let's start off by clicking this one. Click Start a Post. Then select more than one image. Click Done. You can also add a description if you want to. Just type it here. Then click Post. Then there will be this notification that tells you that the viewers may see the photos as a carousel. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, click like and subscribe.